Imagine a world where every single piece of plastic you have ever used still exists in the waste bin, on the roads, in the river, and eventually on our oceans. Now stop imagining, because that is our current situation. In India alone, we generate 10.2 million tons of plastic waste every single year. That equates to 2,550 freight trains fully loaded from New Delhi to Kanyakumari. And only 60% of them gets recycled. According to a Nature publication, India accounts for nearly 20% of the total global plastic waste output, making India one of the largest contributors to plastic pollution. Now, what if I told you this mountain of plastic waste is not a problem, but an opportunity, and tremendous opportunity to transform our economy, create jobs, and in turn, save the planet. According to Circular Gap Report of 2024, only 7% of the world's global resources are consumed in a circular manner. And this number is drastically decreasing, while the consumption of goods are on the rise. However, let's not be too pessimistic about it, because the rest, 93% of the resources that are not consumed circularly, presents an opportunity for economic growth and tremendous economic value. So imagine a future where waste doesn't exist, where every single product is designed in a way to be reused, repurposed, or recycled, and kept it in the loop. That is circular economy, ladies and gentlemen. Circular economy is not just about recycling more. It's about rethinking our entire approach to production and consumption. In circular economy, plastic is not a waste. It's a resource. It's a resource circulating through economy repeatedly. Study by Accenture Strategy done says that circular economy could unlock $4.5 trillion of global wealth and economical growth by 2030. And government in India starts to take notice of that and leveraging its potential. EPR laws, which was published in 2022, includes a mandate of 50% of recycled content to be included in plastic packaging. Not only that, Goa recently introduced one of its first laws for recycling, introduction of deposit return system. Now, this system motivates people to return their plastic bottles to the supermarket, where it is collected through the DRS system. The consumer gets a small incentive per bottle returned. This has proven to be one of the most effective way of improving the collection rate. We live in an era where recycling equipment has rapidly advanced in the past years. From a technological perspective, there are solutions that exist to tackle this potential. As a product manager for TOMRA, a global market leader in sorting and collection tech for recycling, I have seen the advancement and the technological possibilities in this industry. By 2030, TOMRA is aiming to enable an additional 180 million tons of resources for circularity using sensor-based machinery. Ladies and gentlemen, that is 15 times more than the annual waste generated in India. Not only that, TOMRA is planning to collect 500 billion drink containers And that, all of these plans, when we see this, we can say if the experts in the industry are aiming this high and going through transforming this economy and the waste, it must be possible, right? Well, it is. Now, here is a thought-provoking question for you. Out of all the machines TOMRA has installed worldwide for sorting and container collection, how many do you think are installed in Asia-Pacific region? Any guesses? Well, it's less than 15%. So here is what I want you to understand. There is a massive potential to transform the economy into a circular one. So why can't we demand better policies from government? Why can't we challenge the companies to produce products using recycled content and change the way we behave and consume, the understanding of our consumption, to become a global power in circular economy practices? I want you to picture a future system where our municipal waste management services, the informal sector, and the innovative recycling technology complementing each other, powered by the digital solution to improve the security. Now that is a circular economy the Indian way. So the next time you're about to throw something, stop and think. Can this be recycled? Can this be reused? Perhaps repurposed? Because circular economy is not about doing less good. It's about doing more and more. So let's transform India's waste into an opportunity. Let's go beyond the waste and open up a world of possibilities. Thank you, everyone.